guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I ain't even tell y'all how I was supposed to do a maintenance vlog for you guys, but I wasn't able to do that, so I'm going to do a pack with me. I'm about to show y'all everything that I'm taking on my vacation, and also do a little unboxing. So give me 1 second. So guys, I also wanted to share these two new fragrances from Dossier with you guys. We have Floral Pear and we have Woody Peony. If you guys are new here and you're unfamiliar with Dossier, Dossier is a fragrance company that's geared towards providing affordable fragrances to everyone. Your higher end dupes that you love, your Maison Francis Kirk de Jeans, your Chanel's, your Joe Malone, you can find affordable inspired fragrances such as these by Dossier. Today we have Floral Pear, which is inspired by Joe Malone's English Pear and Freesia. So this is your fresh, super fresh grown-up fragrance. This one is really good for like those cold winter mornings that you just want to keep a fresh vibe, a nice clean girl aesthetic. This is perfect for that. Daytime errands, running around, or daytime events, I feel like this would be perfect for. So I'm going to pop this one in my bag for vacation as well, just to keep it fresh. This one smells really good and it really does smell like the original Joe Malone. So really liking this one now when I'm just trying to keep a clean vibe, clean outfit, hair slicked back and things like that. I'll reach for this one. And then we have Woody Peony. This one is a fresh, clean, but sweet one. So I really like this one for like all day date night. So the top notes on this one is peach, lychee, bergamot, and freesia. In the middle notes we have jasmine, orange blossom, peony, and white flowers. And then for the base notes we have musk, oat moss, and wood. Guys, I want to share the notes on this one with you guys as well. The top notes is pear, bergamot, watermelon, and rhubarb. The middle notes is quincy, rose, freesia, and orange blossom. And then for the base notes we have woody notes, musk, and amber. So two really good ones, guys. Check out Dossier. They will also be having a Black Friday sale, and go ahead and shop with Catch so you guys can save an additional on your purchase. Alright guys, so as I'm packing, I like to just make sure that all of my outfits are together in the suitcase. So I basically have everything paired out. I have this dress that I'm going to do a daytime look with. I think I might pair them with these Bottegas. I'm not sure yet, so I'm just going to place these on top. I have this cute cocoa and beige top that I'm going to pair with these pants that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I'm not sure what shoes I'm going to do with that yet, if I'm going to do sandals or if I'm going to do these heels. This is my airport look, so I'm just going to pop that right there. And then for my swim look, I have this bronze bathing suit, so I just want to make sure that the top and bottom is there along with the cover up. And then I'm doing the Fendi sandals with this, as well as my Fendi bag. So I'm about to unbox those and show y'all that with the Fendi earrings as well. I have this black liquid latex bathing suit that I got from Pretty Little Thing. So I'm just making sure all the pieces are here. So we got the bottom, the top, and then we have both pieces of the cover up. So I'm just making sure that everything is all together so nothing is missing. I have this cute top that I'm going to do during the day. This cute two-piece set from Pretty Little Thing. Just a nice, flowy, pretty set for one of those comfortable moments. So I'm making sure that the top and bottom are there for that. This is a miscellaneous outfit just for like, in case I need like an extra outfit or whatever. These bottoms from one of my Jewelry Chic collabs. And then I have this top from Naomi Celine. I put the jacket in this bag with that because it matches. Not sure about the shoes for that yet. I have this swim kind of cover up thing that I got from Amazon last year for my birthday that I didn't get to wear, so I'm just going to pop that in there. This is a two-piece swim set that I think I'm going to wear on the first day down there. So I do have a lot of sets, so I'm just making sure that all of the sets are pieced together so that nothing is missing and I don't got to be running around. But another reason why I place everything together is to make sure that my whole outfit is planned out before I get there, so I don't have to like do too much, you know, extracurriculars. So now we have this cocoa and beige. It's a two-piece set. This fits really nicely. So these are paired together. That's a two-piece set. And not sure what shoes I want to do with that, if I want to do sandals or if I want to do these heels. I wasn't able to get another pair of heels, so we are going to DC today. I'm going to look for another pair of heels. I need one more pair of heels. This is my Easter Boulder set. This was originally going to be my birthday outfit. I had ordered a dress, but I'll tell you guys about that another time. It's not going to be here, so I'll probably end up wearing this on my birthday. I wanted to do like a white cropped blouse over this, and then these are the heels for this outfit for sure. So I feel like that's going to be a nice fire look. And then this is my outfit for tonight in DC that I packed. This is a Walford jumpsuit. I'm probably gonna wear them with these Stork Weitzman heels, booties, and I feel like that'll be cute. These I'm bringing because this is what I'm wearing to the airport. My purple Steve Madden boots is probably what I'm going to put on right now. And then we have these just for a DC look, but I don't really need to show you guys the DC stuff because this is, well, I kind of do because it's all vacay. Now these are just miscellaneous. I haven't worn this diesel top yet. I did create some content in it. So, yeah, I didn't get a chance to wear it. And then I have this Zara top that's really cute. I'll probably be wearing this tomorrow during the day. So all I really need is a coat for tomorrow during the day, and then I need a quick birthday outfit with some shoes with like another pair of heels. So yeah guys, let me show y'all this stuff that I got from Fendi. Alright guys, so when I open up my closet, please do not judge, it's very messy in there. Y'all know I'm getting ready to go to church, so yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I got real quick. So first up, we're gonna start with this bag. I got this nice nylon bag. I decided to go with the nylon option because we are going to be by the pool, water and things like that. So I felt like leather wasn't the best option for that. I just felt like leather wasn't the best option. So I took that out all fast. So here is the dust bag. It comes in a nice dust bag, so it's Fendi. And then we're gonna take it out. Super cute. So this has gold hardware, which I love. It's actually covered in plastic. I'll have to take all of these off. But this is so cute. I can't wait to show you guys the sandals. And I love how it's like really small, like a nano. If you guys aren't new here, then you know I love my small bags. I don't really wear big bags often. I only wear them when I go to work and things like that. So yeah, I don't know the name of this one. It is a nice bucket bag. I don't know the name of it, so I'll insert it on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah guys, this is going to go with my bronze bathing suit with that cover up, and then I'm going to wear the sandals that I'll show you guys next, and that's going to be like my birthday beach look. So yeah, super cute. And it does have a drawstring so you can make it tighter, and it has a strap so you can wear it like over your crossbody as well. So I'm going to put this in the dust bag, and I'm going to pop that in my bag real quick. Alright guys, so I just want to show y'all the sandals that I'll be pairing those with. This is the box. I already took it out the bag. So everything is wrapped tight. You got your authenticity card in there. And then you have your dust bag right on top. So I'm going to take those out because I'll be putting these in the dust bag. Packaged beautifully. I'm just going to unwrap it. And it's all plastic up. So I'm just going to take them out one at a time because these are a little bit heavy. So here we have them. So freaking cute. And these are just some really cute sandals to match the bag. Regular bronze bathing suit, the colors match really well, so I'm going to show you guys. Of course you'll see it on the vacay vlog, but let me get the other one out so I can show you how they look together. Alright guys, so how cute. And I really love the scrunched up detail of it, and I velcro so you can open it up like that. This one doesn't have gold hardware like the bag, but you can't really see the hardware, but it's a bronze color to match my bathing suit along with the it's like a bronzish green. So yep, super cute. I'm gonna pop these. I'm gonna just pop these right inside the duster so I could pack them inside my luggage. And if you guys, when you're packing, make sure you're putting one shoe in each duster. These items usually come with 2 dusters. This way after you wear them, they stay protected in your luggage. So there you have that, and I'm about to pop it right in my suitcase, and I'll be right back to show y'all the earrings. Alrighty guys, so here's the packaging for the earrings. So I'm just going to slide it out. And oh, it actually opens up like this. It's not a slide out. So the packaging is really cute. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It says Fendi and this nice microcloth, microfiber. And these are the earrings in gold. Super, super cute. So there we have that. I'm gonna pop this whole box in the suitcase. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm trying to keep it as neat as possible, but I have my bronze bathing suit together, top and bottom. I have the bag right underneath. I have my pretty little thing, two-piece swimsuit in here. And then I have both the sandals in here in a separate dust bag. So what I'm going to do is take my airport fit. And matter of fact, I'm not going to put my airport fit in there. I'm going to take my pretty little thing set. I'm going to put it on the opposite side. This is just how I pack. I put some things on each side and then I just close them together so everything isn't smushed. So we got that. And then we got this set over here. I already told you guys what each of everything is. I'm going to pop this set right here. I'm going to put this outfit right over here. And again, everything is all together so nothing gets mixed up. This is a set. Pop it right there. Another set. Pop it right on top. We have these I'm going to put separate. So we have this dress. Pop it right on top. And I'm only going to put these separate because these have been worn already. We have my Isoboda set, and I'm going to pop that right on top. And these pretty little thing heels, I'm going to pop on the side. These are new, so I'm just going to pop them wherever they could fit. Little Jack and Moo bag, pop it in the corner. And then we have these two miscellaneous tops right on top of here. So everything is neatly in there, and then I'm just going to zip it up. My makeup and everything I always do separate, like my makeup, toiletries, everything like that, because I just don't want to have an accident to where anything pours into my bag. And yeah guys, that is a little pack with me. It's a little bit rushed because I'm getting ready to head out the door, but yeah, let me show you guys everything after it's all packed up.